Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today I am discussing about the geometrical isomerism. This is coaching part. So now we know the rules. What are the rules for the geometrical isomerism? First, identify the restricted rotation. Second one, identify the which one groups at the restricted rotation. And third one is the distance. Okay, that is relative distance. Now, what are the possibilities for restricted rotation? Carbon-carbon double bond. One example already discussed, that is alkene. Now, one more alkene type is that is called allenes. Allenes. Allene means what is it? Double bond. Double bond. Next also double bond. Okay. This is called cumulated double bond. So, what do you call this is? Cumulated alkene. If like is a double bond, single bond, double bond is there, what do you call? Conjugated alkene. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, double bond. This is not alternate. Here adjacent, alternate, not alternate. There is no regularity. It is called isolated. Isolated alkene. If you use number here 1, 2, 3, stability order is different. Stability order. Conjugated alkene is second number, first most stable. After that, third. After that, first. This is stability order. This will ask in alkene chapter, but you are not discussing all this. Only cumulated alkenes. The cumulated alkenes are known as allenes. What do you call that is? Allene. Cumulated alkenes are known as allenes. Now, one example. C double bond C, double bond C. Here A, here B, here C, here D. Okay. Other way it consider any E group. Because again carbon carbon like this we consider A, B, E, D. Different groups are there. Now what we have to check, it shows geometrical isomerism or not. First we have to check restricted rotation. What are the restricted rotation? Double bond. Another is cyclic. Another is steric influence. Okay, double bond is there or not? Double bond. Then second one, what you have to check? Groups at the restricted rotation. Different is there or not? Different is there means it shows or not? Geometrical shows. But third one, what you have to check? Relative distance. Okay, that is last checker there is. First, second, then last one is the relative distance. But you should know that this double bond both are like this is horizontal. Next double bond also horizontal or vertical? Vertical. So if it is horizontal H, then automatically this is which one? Vertical. Therefore, I want to represent this, carefully observe, for your understanding purpose. This is called front. This is called away to the observer, near to the observer. First bond is near to the observer. Next bond is like this. This is near to the observer. This is away to the observer. This is horizontal double bond. Here, which is a carbon. This is also which one? Carbon. Again, this bond, how it is? Vertical. It means both are like this. This length from the observer, this bond is if x distance to the observer, then this is also x distance, because same like this vertical. If it is there, this is x means this is how much? Y distance to the observer. Now both are like this, they mean same distance to the observer. Therefore, I am not represented with the dark line dotted line. Normal line only represented mean what you have to consider, that is vertical. Like this. This is vertical bond, this is horizontal bond. So now this carbon. This is which one? E. This is which one? D. Now this bond is Away bond means this is also which one? Away bond. This bond is dark mean this is also dark is near to the observer. Got the point? Carefully observe now. Carefully observe. This first bond is horizontal, second bond vertical. So horizontal bond I am discussing now. Horizontal bond here B. This is which one? B. This is which one? A. Now this E and D like this. Up E is there, down D is there. E distance with the A, E distance with the B. Same or different? Now this E up vertically. B A. Same or different? Same. Same distance. Got the point? When same distance is there, it shows geometrical isomerism. In the last class check. No, do not show. So this distance is, if it is considered as D1 and this distance is considered as which one? D2. D1 is equal to D2. Therefore, no GI. Clear this? Therefore, once instead of this distance checking, sometimes it is difficult for student. Therefore, one statement I will give because always we will not check with the scale how much distance is there. Imagination only difficult. Again, how we will measure with the scale? Difficult. Therefore, simple statement. Double bond, how many are there? 2. 2 is even number or odd number? Even number. Even number double bond is that do not show geometrical isomerism. Odd number double bond is that it shows the geometrical isomerism. Now I will write this one more double bond, double bond, double bond like this. Here A, B, E, D. Now if it is horizontal, first double bond is horizontal, second double bond vertical, next double bond horizontal. Got the point? Horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Then horizontal means what is that? Here B, here A. Next last bond is which one? Horizontal. Here D, here E. If it is here A is there and here B is there, A same side, B same side, then which form this is? Cis form, then it is cis form. Can you write the transform? Transform how to write? Here A, here B, here B, here A. This is transform. Clear this is? Only shows geometrical isomerism when they have odd number double bond. Even number double bond do not show. This is clear. Similarly, Spiro compound, if you take Spiro compound, Spiro also cyclic. Spiro means what is a bicyclic compound. Spiro means 2 rings bonded to 1 carbon. Therefore, now if I take this is a Spiro carbon. So here A, here A, here A, so you can take here B and here B. Same like this. This double bond, one is horizontal, another is vertical. Then here one ring is horizontal, another ring is vertical. Like links only. But this Spiro compound, 2 rings are bonded to 1 carbon. So it is called Spiro compound. Here groups are different. Now it shows the geometrical isomerism or not tell? To show geometrical isomerism, similar groups are same side. Is there cis? But what we have to check first one? Restricted rotation. Restricted rotation is there. Second one, what you have to check? Groups at the restricted rotation. Different is there. Third one, what you have to check? The relative distance. If it is horizontal, this is vertical. Then A distance with this B, A distance with this A. Same or different? Huh? Same. Same in shows or not? No. Then do not show geometrical isomerism. No GI. Why it is no GI? This is nothing but this one only. But here double bond, here ring. One is horizontal, another is vertical. Here also horizontal, vertical do not show me here, show? No. Same distance. If I increase one more ring there, I am increasing one more ring here. Then here A, here B. If it is horizontal, this is vertical, this is horizontal. Same for same side, then it shows geometrical isomerism. Then what we can say here on general statement? Spiral compound with the 3 rings or odd number rings, they can show geometrical isomerism. Spiral compound with the even number ring do not show geometrical isomerism. Got the concept? Similarly, this biphenyls. This biphenyl compound, you know that. Now, if you take that this is one benzene, this is another benzene. These are biphenyl. 2 phenyls are there. That is called biphenyl or diphenyl. Now, carefully observe. One benzene ring like this, another benzene ring also like this. Now, if you rotate, it can rotatable. It can rotatable. Why it is rotatable? Because here groups are smaller groups. There is no steric repulsion. No steric repulsion. Because hydrogen is smaller group. Here hydrogen, here hydrogen. This is hydrogen, this hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. At ortho position. Ortho position, ortho position, ortho position, ortho position. All are which is there? Hydrogen. Hydrogen smaller or larger? Smaller. Smaller means any repulsion is there? No. Therefore it is easily rotatable. Okay? This is called conformers. Conformers mean what is that? single bond rotation. But if you increase any one bulky group, see, here I want to write NO2. Here I want to write NO2. Here I want to write COOH. Here I want to write COOH. Then what student will think? Carefully, like this. This side COH is it. Small finger is COH. This thumb is NO2, NO2. Then what you are thinking? COH, COH, same side, NO2, NO2, same side. Then what you are thinking? Cis form. But it shows the geometrical isomerism. Then what you have to identify first? Restricted rotation present or not. Generally, single bond present in what you are thinking? Rotatable. CC single bond rotation, that is conformal. We will already first one I explained. But now it is rotatable? No. Reason, here what is there? COH. Here what is there? COH. Now they will not exist like this because this COH is repulsion takes place here. Therefore, immediately it comes like this. One is horizontal, this is vertical. Then one COH is down, NO2 is up. COH is front, NO2 is back. Got the concept? So one is horizontal, another is vertical. Now tell these are cis or trans. Possible? This COH is front, this COH is down. Then how we can say same side? This is same side. This is not same side. One is down is there, another is front is there. Then it cannot be cis. Otherwise, we can check distance. This is NO2. This NO2 distance with this COH, this NO2 distance with this NO2. Same or different? Same. When same distance is there, do not show geometrical isomerism. Therefore, here also one statement we can give. Biphenyls with the 2 rings. Biphenyl with the 2 rings. Can show it this? No. Triphenyls can show. When it shows restricted rotation, which is the restricted rotation here? Double bond is there? No. Another one cyclic is there? Not here. This is not cyclic here. Here single bond is there. Single bond what is there? Rotatable. But also I am telling restricted due to steric hindrance. Check last class. What is the restricted? One is double bond, another is cyclic, third one is steric hindrance. Due to this steric hindrance, this is restricted rotation. You got the concept here? Due to steric hindrance, this is restricted rotation. Therefore, it is restricted rotation but not show geometrical isomerism. Keep in mind. Restricted rotation but not show geometrical isomerism. No GI. When it shows GI term, another benzene ring if you introduce, then it shows restricted rotation. Here tertiary butyl group, tertiary butyl group, tertiary butyl group, tertiary butyl group, tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl group is very bulky group. It is create the restricted rotation. Now if you write here NO2 and here NO2, here COOH, here COOH. Which form this is? Cis form or trans form? Cis form. Because this is horizontal, this is vertical, this is horizontal. Okay? Therefore, this is called cis form. Can you write the trans form? Simple. This side don't change, this side change. COH up, NO2 down. Then you will get the trans form. So these are somewhat higher level is. CET level very rare to ask. NEET and JEE means this type of question will ask. Okay? So that is I discussed first. Now we will go further smaller examples. Now take one cyclic compound. If you take this cyclic compound, because cyclic compound also what is that? Restricted rotation. So now I am taking here, this is methyl, this is hydrogen, this is methyl, this is hydrogen. Which form this is? Cis or trans? Cis form. Can you write the trans form? One side keep as it is, another side change. Then here H, here methyl. This is which one? Trans. Okay. Now, can you tell this is shows the geometrical isomerism or not? First thing what you have to identify, restricted rotation present or not. Present or not, cyclic means restricted rotation. Second one what you have to observe, groups at restricted rotation. This bond is restricted rotation, this bond is restricted rotation, this bond also restricted rotation. Clear? So add this. Now I am given this methyl group, dot or dotted line, nothing. Normal line only represent. Then how to say this cis or trans? We cannot say. But possibilities there are not. We can write cis and trans, we can write. Dot, dotted, or dotted we can write. Then we can represent cis and trans. But now I am not represented. But we can write or not? We can write this cis form also, trans form also. Possible or not? Then how many possibilities are there? How many isomers are possible? If they ask the question, with this form, how many isomers, how many cis, how many trans or total isomers, how many possible? Only geometric. If they ask, then what you have to try? Mathematical we have to use. What is arrangement you have to do? Probability of arrangement. Okay? Then if I write all are cis, okay? Otherwise, this can be written as, for your to avoid your confusions, I will write this is CH3, CH3, CH3. Then this is methyl CH3, methyl CH3, methyl CH3. H, H, H. Carbon bond value is how much? 4. 1, 2, 3. This is CH3. Another which one? H. So at every corner, 1 H is there. That's why 1 H I wrote here. Now this CH3 and this is the same side or different side? Same side. This CH3, this CH3, this CH3, this CH3. So all methyl groups are same side. What you call here? Cis former. Is that no? If I write this is this is. Now tell, this is which form? Cis. Then both are same or different? Same only. If you are telling this cis means these are cis means same no? Therefore don't count. Which is same don't count. This both are one only. Don't count, repeat. Which is same that is not counted. Already I told in the constitutional isomer. Same form don't count. Which is different that only count. These are same. Another possibility what we can tell? Generally, this is methyl. See, Our mathematically how we are applying this concept, methyl and hale. Next group what we will do? Down. Here H, here methyl. Next what we will do? Another is up, down, up. This much only possible or any other possibility is there? This possibility only is there or any other possibility is there? If you try, this is down, this is up, this is down, means this is and that whatever I told, there is same or different? Same. Then how many isomers possible are? If I write this is down, methyl, this is up, methyl, this is down, means this should be where? Down, up, down. So any representation if you do, 2 will be down, 2 will be up, may be possible. Yes sir? Then how many total isomers? 2 only possible or any extra possible? 2 only possible? 2 possible. That is the concept. So these are look like 1, 2, 3, 4, but total how much? 2 only. Otherwise you can try to arrange any other different also. They are look like the same only. Therefore, 2 isomers are possible. Got the concept? Now, why it is like this possible? Okay. See, 1-2 relation is there. 1-2 relation cis. 1-2 relation trans also possible. 1-2 relation trans, I wrote, this is trans. 1-2 cis, 1-2 trans possible. If you give this is number, then these are 1-2 relation, not 2-3 relation. These are 1-2 relation. Again, this is not 1-3 relation, this is 1-2 relation only. Number only is clockwise we are counted, but when you take the 2 atoms, this is 1, this is 2. If you take these atoms, then this is 1, this is 2. Then 1, 2 only. So 1, 2 only possible, 2 only possible. One cis possible, another is trans possible. Then you answer here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many possibilities are there? Possibilities. Like this 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, like this 1, 5 possible or not check. I will give number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the possibilities are there? 2. Tell what are the possibilities? 1, 2 possibility. This is 1, 2 possibility. 1, 3 because distance is maintaining or not. But this is not 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 4. It is 1, 2 only. Again, this direction anti-clockwise 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. One time only you have to consider 1, 2. Total how many possibilities are there? 2 possibilities. In 2 possibilities, what are the possible? 1, 2 is cis also possible, trans also possible. 1, 3 cis also possible, 1, 3 trans also possible. Total how many? Got the concept? Mathematically think, don't think the chemistry. Chemistry is nothing else. Just example that is. Next, total how many? 1, 2 possible, 1, 3 possible. Here cis possible, here trans possible. Here cis possible, here trans possible. Total 4. Got the concept? If I write then also somewhat understanding. Only in air if I am teaching that is difficult. Now tell how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. How many possibilities is possible to tell? Later we can tell the number different. How many isomers? Same or different? Only one thing. Here how I don't tell 1, 2, 1, 3. Then it is 1, 4 not 1, 2 only this is 1, 3. Clockwise or anti-clockwise same only. Then how many possibilities are? Only 2 possibilities are. 1, 2, 1, 3 only. Here 1, 2 is there. Yes sir? This is also 1, 2. One time consider 1, 3 is there. 1, 3. This is also this one. Not 1, 4. This is 1, 3 only. Clear? Then how many possibilities? 2. 2 means how many will get? 4. Cis trans, cis trans. Got the concept? Okay. Now, mathematics. mathematically think, don't normally think here. Come on. How many possibilities are there? Fasting. Do you want numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 possibility. 1, 6 is 1, 2 only. One time answer. 1, 3 possibility. 1, 5 possibility same. Then 2. 2 are there. Then 1, 4 possibility. Total how many are there? 3. 1, 2 cisterns. 1, 3 cisterns. 1, 4 cisterns. Total how much? 6. Are the answer? This is the way to understand the organic chemistry. Always, if like this any question will come, always we have to think with respect to mathematics. Chemistry only example. Okay. So I am not discussing much about this. Okay, I will cover this concepts in the cyclic. Now, if you go like this cyclic, that is cyclohexane chair form. Where? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are parallel. This is 2 cyclohexane rings. Now this is and this is methyl. Now this form is which one? Cis form or trans form? For cyclohexane, what I told, remember axial equatorial. Cis form means what is it? 2 up, 2 down. Cis form is 2 may be up or 2 may be down. Trans form means what is it? 1 up, 1 down. This is which one? Down or up? Down. This is which one? Down, down, down. Cis form. This is cis form. Are the concept? Now, if I remove this and I will place here, tell which form this is? This is which one? Down or up? This is down, up, trans. Then this trans form. Now I will remove this. This also I will remove. This and this. What is this? Down or up? Down or up, this one? Not looking at down? It is looking at down only. This is up. Down, up, trans. This is transform. Clear the concept? Once again, to avoid your confusion, I will write so many examples. Here I will change. This is up or down? Then here, then these two are trans. Remove this and place here. These two are. This, what is the concept? If I change one more ring, can you answer it? Then these two are trans. Understanding the answer, sir? Now, these two are look like cis but trans. This is. Why? This is down. This is which one? Up. But if like is given in examination, immediately you answer which one is cis one. Because both are same family. But already I told the trick. What is the trick? Forward. Don't whatever looking that don't answer. Up, down, trans. Up, cis. Down, down, cis. Now this up, this is down. Here clearly visible this is up and down. So based on that you answer, but looking like this is cis form, but not the cis form. Because I also faces so many problems to identify cis and trans. That's why I read so many books and identify this as the simplest form. Okay? So like this in cyclo hexane, we will identify the cis and trans form. Geometrical isomerism possible. Now, whatever I wrote now with the two rings, this will show